stop by at this park, I think we call it. So we're gonna go up in there, and it's a long way up there. So I'm gonna show you.
I'm a traveling spirit. I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Kenya. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel.
Don't know if you can hear me right now. The wind's so... It's kind of bad, but we're here at the Hoover Dam. If you can see. There we go. Okay, so this dam actually reminds me of Transformer. It's in one of the scenes in the movie. I forgot which one. I think the first one. The first movie. First part, whatever you call it. It's the scene where the Autobots were fighting when they first landed here, I guess. That's where it is. I'm not even sure. I can't see right now if I can see. And of course there's grass. It's so beautiful out here, guys. It's all desert, rock, dust. But it's cool. I noticed it's like a tourist spot, so there must be something in it that's like...
First of all, it's an archaeological miracle
Why?
to build something like that.
Oh, okay. Alright.
And it creates energy by, the water coming through here. Spinning turbines, making all this energy that supports Las Vegas.
Oh, okay. Now I see why.
Lights in a full wellness trip probably because of that.
Yeah. I look weird. I kind of, yeah, But it was cool, guys. I've been looking forward to this when I knew that we're going to Vegas. And I knew that, then Chris told me about it, that, oh, we're going to the Hoover Dam. And then when I look at the Hoover Dam, it's actually this dam that I've seen in this movie, The Transformer, which I was really, really like, by the way. So I was kind of excited to see it, like, for real. Not just on television or on photographs, but like really be in here and see it with my own two eyes. So yeah, it is kind of weird over there though, because it's like by where we are is like road. As you can see. I don't even know if you can hear me well because of cars driving by, and then here's the wind. So yeah, we're going back now. I've taken a lot of pictures and a couple of video clips as well. So that should be good. We've pretty much been at the casinos the whole freaking time, so I couldn't film inside because they don't allow it, apparently. But now we're here at the kind of like, I don't know if it's a mall or whatever, but it's called Sam's Town. And yeah, I'm just gonna put in a very cool montage for you. The place is awesome, guys. It kind of looks like cowboys, or the, I don't even know what to call it, but see? Cool.
See that guy there?
Yeah.
Watch him?
Yeah, I did get
He looks dominated.
Yeah, I did get a video of that.
You did?
restaurant. This is actually a buffet, and it's so nice. And they have a lot of variety. They have Mexican food, Asian, and American, I think. So I'm still, oh my god, what is this? Pimple? I think it's a pimple. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna try to vlog this because it's huge, but it's nice here. I'm excited to eat.
Doggone it, slot machines here.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good in the hallway.
Yeah, but
Okay.
in Tower 2. Tower 2, they have a bar.
Here
They
we
have
are.
slot
So I can finally vlog. We're at Circus Circus, and they have some really nice shops in here. So I think I can vlog here. The thing about casinos is you're not allowed to vlog, so that's why I don't have as much footages. But I vlog as much as I can if I am allowed. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna do a montage, I think, again, to kind of show you. Are just waiting for a show to start. We're still here at Circus Circus, and they supposed to have this show, and we're just sitting down
12, 13.
because it's gonna start around 15 minutes. So I'm gonna show you the stage.
They would just dump me off here and they'd take off my little seats right away.
You never took off.
I was buying a ring.
So this is just a small area, and then they have a small stage, and that's where the whole show. I don't even know what show this is. Like if it's a magic show or, well, maybe it's a circus show. I don't know, because it's Circus Circus. I mean, the place is called Circus Circus. So.
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, Circus Circus is proud to present a unique display of acrobatic excellence and breathtaking balance. A 2015 finalist on America's Got Talent from Azerbaijan. Please welcome Free Ladderman Hoover.
friend who is also a vlogger, and she's from here in Las Vegas, but for some unforeseen circumstances, you know, we can't. So so instead, we're just gonna go, the family and I, we're just gonna go somewhere else tonight, because tomorrow night we'll be flying back to Florida and vacation's over. So anyway, that's cool, you know, things like that happen. I would have loved to meet her, but you know, it is what it is, things happen.
So we'll take the first shift,
Going
and then
home.
once you guys have breakfast, lunch will be.
It is actually really cool right now. Like, you can see like strong wind, and it's cool wind as well. But when we got here, it was kind of hot. So we have to go the other way to where we park our car, rental car.
Yeah. Wrong way.
Hopefully we get it right this time.
Very,
Sun though.
that's the one at the end.
Touch my hand, another king.
Southwest Airlines passenger John Rayleigh. Please return to gate C.
We are going home. We're just at the airport. We are actually 3 hours early. It's only 7 and our flight is around 10 in the evening. And you have to remember, Las Vegas is 3 hours behind Florida when it comes to time. Where? Oh, that's cool. Okay guys, we just landed here at Tampa and it's about 5 in the morning, and we're just looking for my parents-in-law's car. Their big parking lot, but we don't see it. Oh gosh. Okay, so we have this I don't know what you call it. It's not a rental car. We left the car under their care while we were away, and then they were supposed to drive the car here so that we could just go there and, you know, pick it up. I'm just running. So wish us luck, guys. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching.